Hello friends, today's topic is echo sounder. The echo sounding machine works on the principle of measuring the time taken by a sound wave to travel from the ship to the seabed and back again. So, it is the instrument that is fitted on the ship's bridge which transmits the signal, detects the echo, and measures the time lapse. Its basic definition of echo sounder. Here, one thing to remember is the word echo. Echo means reflection. What does it mean? Means, for example, this is the seabed. When the sound waves hits the bed, it gets reflected back. In further video, I will tell where it goes. But just remember what does echo means. Next is principle of echo sounder. In the water beneath the ship, short pulses of sound vibrations are transmitted at the rate of 5 to 600 per minute to the bottom of the ship. The seabed reflects these pulses and after some time, which depends on the depth meter, the echo pulses is received back to the ship. During this time, the pulse has traveled a path equal to twice the distance between the keel of the ship and the seabed. So, what the principle behind it is that here with a diagram, the illustration of its principle. Suppose here is our ship. Here beneath the ship means under the ship, the sound signals are transmitted by the ship to the seabed and get reflected back again to the ship. So so the sound signal comes from the ship and gets back to the ship. The distance traveled by the sound here is two times to actual depth. So at speed of 5 to 600 per minute. This is the speed of echo or sound signal. And here the illustration of the principle. Here the ship is there, and by the ship a sound signals come from the ship and touches the bed, that is seabed, and goes back to the ship. And this distance is twice the actual depth of the ship. So it is our actual depth of this ship. In further video, I will explain more. Here's the full illustration of the echo sounder, how it works, and it is very essential for second mates also. This diagram here showcase that the student knowledge acknowledge everything about the echo sounder. So let's see what is there in this diagram. This is recorder. Recorder records all the records of the depths which are here ship get of the seabed. Here it is the scale. This is the scale on which the recording has been done, and here it is a paper roll where all the recordings of the seabed is continuously shown and monitored by the watchkeeper. So the recorder sends a pulse generator. This pulse generator generates a pulse which is transmitted with a energy by the help of transmitter, and the transducer The word itself a transducer sends and receives the sound signal from the seabed again and sent to the receiver box. Receiver box enhance and gives to amplifier to the final destination recorder. Here amplifier enhance and amplifies the sound signals for measuring on the recorder.